Welcome. In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. The thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings, so if you wake up the screen, then press the upper button to open the menu, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, tap on it, then tap on watch face and time, and here tap on watch face. It will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through it, find the watch face you like, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.